Biotechnology is changing how we grow food, treat diseases, and protect our environment.
At UNIMAS, the students are trained in cutting-edge technologies from gene editing to tissue culture to address the world needs.
They are specialized in fields like medical, environmental, food, plant, or animal biotechnology, depending on how they want to serve their communities.
Biotech isn't just about lab coat and machines, it's about improving lives, restoring the ecosystems, and innovating for greater good.
UNIMAS graduates brings science to industry, NGOs, and communities, wherever the solution is needed the most.
Biotech at UNIMAS, because innovation should serve humans and protect the planet.